Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Wednesday the 16th of November 2022. Main news, main talking point, main headline across the crypto space today is regarding crypto lender BlockFi, which is also preparing for a potential bankruptcy following on from FTX last week, and this is because of significant exposure to FX in fact. So that's being reported by the Wall Street Journal. The lender denied rumours that a majority of its assets were held at FTX, but did acknowledge on Monday that in addition to having deposits on the platform, it had an undrawn line of credit from FTX and obligations that FTX owed it. Last week, BlockFi paused customer withdrawals in the wake of FTX's implosion that started with a CoinDesk report that raised questions about the balance sheet of a trading firm, Alameda Research, which is FTX's sister company. So that's the main headline, which is across my desk today. We've seen cryptos in the main moving lower, and that was after a stronger day yesterday with Bitcoin ticking up towards 17k. From a technical perspective, I'll just highlight the inside bar on the daily yesterday. You will have seen me highlight several of these over the past few months. Pretty handy to trade off as well. From here, after a pretty thin looking trading range yesterday, as far as BTC is concerned, you can see that the trade to the downside could be the one, especially if we take out that low from yesterday. You've got the contracted trading price action from yesterday. Take out that low, and it could be quite quickly that we see a move down into 15,500. Ethereum is currently trading at 12.17. We can see here Ethereum has been rejecting off the 12.80 handle and moving towards the 11.85. You can see on Litecoin, you can see we're rejected off the 60 area, pretty much the main overhead level where you're going to see some headwinds, and we've been moving slightly lower on the day. Bit of a trend line that you can see underneath here. If I was to just draw that on to make it clear for you, in fact, that'd be handy, wouldn't it? In fact, you could go right down to the bottom here, so you can see that trend line from the most recent low just starting to break over the past few hours on Litecoin. That could suggest some further downside to come in the short term. Ripple has been bouncing around, quite volatile actually. You can see this week already moving back higher and trading within a range now of almost, let's see here, almost 800 points, down from 40 cents all the way down into 30 cents almost. So quite a big range. You can see compared to where we were trading in thin ranges down here, this is quite a large range, but we've been trading, it's been pretty volatile now, has Ripple for the past month or two. So it looks likely that it's going to be continuing. Key levels though remain at the 0.3870. You can see the 40 cents handle is the main psychological one overhead. To the downside, we see some support coming through around 0.3345. That's pretty much it from my end. If there's any more updates regarding FTX, regarding BlockFi, or any further movements which is going to cause cryptos to fall